Welcome to the latest version of Infocare. In this release, there have been a number of enhancements to the reporting functions. The first is now when you go to your Reports menu, you have an additional button called Dashboard. Within here you can see bar charts, stacked charts or pie tables, and select the week of interest. The first report shows you about your enrolled children by age, also those that are on casual funding and those that are waiting, your weekly booked numbers, weekly percentage occupancy using full-time enrolment, and the actual numbers using full-time enrolment, your weekly funding, and also your ethnicity for that week. All of these reports are for children that are currently enrolled. The next enhancement are in the financial reports. Going to your green finance puzzle piece on the right hand side and clicking financial analysis. Select the date of the year or select the month that you would like your year to start and click the search button. This first graph shows you all of your invoices minus your credit notes and your journals. The next one is a graph of the receipts that have been receipted into Infocare. The funding type split into the 4 different types of funding and the funding totals for that 12-month period. This final graph shows your income, which is a combination of receipts and funding. Another enhancement has been to your occupancy reports. So when you are in your reports, group reports, financial reports, now you've got the options down here for your occupancy reports using Format 1 or Format 2. The main difference is that the percentages are slightly different between the two formats. In Format 2, the percentage for under 2 children is based on the licensed maximum number of under 2s. Select the report that you would like and click Print. The child reports and the role analysis now also shows useful information in the form of charts and tables. Selecting the date that you'd be interested in, click the search button, and this first report shows the number of booked children, available spaces, and the MOE ratios that are required for the teaching team. To support enroll management, your role forecast report has now been enhanced as well. Now you can select for up to 16 weeks in advance. Select the date that you'd like these 16 weeks to be from. Also, when you change the afternoon starts time, this information is retained for the next time that you create this report. We've added an additional print mode. Now you can select minimum, and this will simply show you the number of children in the morning and afternoon. You've still got the option of ticking for split rooms if you use that function, and you can also create a file if you'd like that represented in a CSV file. Alternatively, you can still click Print to see the report. On the topic of children, there have also been a number of fields added into the Child Details report. When you click on your print options, there have been a number of selections added. Scrolling through, you can see that there is now Contact Emergency Contact, Contact Primary Contact, Sign In, and timetable information in there as well. We've added additional fields into the letter writer function. So when you're utilising the letter writer function, and if you're sending a letter for either children or accounts, you now have these additional fields to select from: Contact Daytime, Contact Evening, Contact Mobile, Contact Fax, Contact ID type, and Contact Email. The final enhancement for this round is now about being able to get centre information. In your reports, group reports, financial reports, You've now got the selection of centre information. As usual, you can simply select Print for a bit of information about those centres, or when you click on the Create File button, it delivers your report with more information. And there it is.